This is the GBAuto heat shrink waterproof butt connectors. There's 340 pieces in this packet and 4 sizes. They're all color coded. So you've got 1, 2, 3, and the little itty bitty ones, 4. There are so many in this packet that we're not going to be buying connectors for years. Now the way these things work is you get your wire and you find the right size connector for them. And you put them in. Let's go one side at a time. And you crimp it. These things are tough to open. And crimp it. Now, once you've got them crimped, ideally, you would use a heat gun. I don't have a heat gun, and my husband always uses the lighter method. So what he does is just heat it. And it just goes around. And that shrinks it. The same way a heat gun does. And let me turn it over and do the other side. As I said, ideally you would use a heat gun, but that method works as well. And you've got a perfectly tight waterproof connection. Love these things. Love the fact that it's a huge box full. And the 4 varieties, I think we'll have every size that we need for whatever. Mostly my husband uses it for cars, for the wiring in cars. So this would be perfect for that. And it's a good deal too. GBAuto heat shrink waterproof butt connectors.